My name is Idris Timir, and today we have another unboxing video. By the way, today we will do a live recording. So here's to whatever this video may result in. But for now, I will tear this paper cover. So let's just destroy this one. So in front of us, we have the Razer Aether or Ether monitor light bar. This is a RGB LED light bar for gamer rooms. I don't have that. But at the front, we can see the product photo. This is a two-way lighting system. So here's your normal light, and on the top will be the RGB. And here's the Razer Chroma RGB branding. And this is the compatibility of this device. So with Alexa, Google Home, Bluetooth, and Matter. And on the top of the box, we can see this printed with soy ink, hashtag Go Green with Razer text. So this is like their environment-friendly packaging. Here's your classical like certifications and whatnot. On the right side, we can see another text, Aether monitor light bar. On the left side is some of the product features. Front and back dual lighting, as I mentioned, ultra-wide natural illumination, and compatible with most monitor sizes. And at the back, you can see more information here. Feel free to pause the video because there's a lot to read here. Basically, again, the features and some of the guides and steps on how to set up. So for now, I guess we'll tear this one using the knife. Also have a clean opening. This is the knife. We cut one and then another one. And once again, let's rotate this because I believe this open this way. So once we open the box, this is the Razer Aether monitor light bar product manual. So this is the welcome letter from the CEO and some of the things to do, and the parts as well as other languages translation. So then we have your Razer sticker. Here's more manual or guidelines. We'll definitely check this one upon setup, but for now, we'll put this on the side here. And before we get into the light bar, again, this is more guide on how to position, connect, and adjust the monitor. I'm not sure if I can test with the light because I'm doing the unboxing on like a controlled setup. Let's take this one out. Oh, we will do like this. Here's the cable that goes with it. So we kind of pull up the light bar and styrofoam as the protection for the light bar, and that's pretty much it. Here. So put this here. this on the side, then as we usually do, we'll tidy up properly before going to the main event. I think I can put this here. I have some extra space. So now we will proceed with the light bar. Again, this is enclosed with this black like baking paper or like protective plastic cover. I guess I'll tear here. No, I don't want to break this one. I think there's no other way. Yeah, there's like a sticky part here. So okay, one here, then one on this side. Or I could just roll like this. No. No, I have to break it. Oh, okay. We'll do the hard way. Don't want to break the original packaging as much as I can. So here's the back RGB lighting, and this would be the front. So compared here, there's a separation, and then here is like this full lighting. Here are the controls. I'm not sure if you can see because the details are very small. Maybe like this, and it's protected with this plastic tape. And let's go ahead and check this one out. So we'll just remove like this. And this way you will have to mount to your monitor. So I guess imagine this is your monitor, so it will go like here, and try to adjust it according to your monitor size. And which I like is the classical Razer logo. So this is matte, but the logo is shiny. And here is like a screw to put in the stand. I mean the light bar. And from here we can see the cable to connect the light bar, and this is type C, and there's like a green color inside. Let's put this back, and the cable tie, this is like rubber like belt, and then you can put it in to lock the size. This is a braided cable and obviously color black, but this thing you cannot remove, so this is built in, and I guess this is some of the information. So here's your final look for this light bar. I will try to quickly plug this into a power bank just to see if it would work. Let's just give you 1 second break. So here's the moment of truth. Plugging into a power bank in 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. As you can see, at the front is the normal lighting configuration, and at the back is the RGB lighting. And this is the default for now, fresh from the box. I hope you enjoyed this kind of a new format in the video. Just trying to improve the quality in the best way that I can. Comment below if you have any questions. And thank you for watching as always. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new in this video. That's about it. And I'll see you on the next one.